Hello, students. This is the era of digitalization, and the pandemic has forced us to conduct important occasions and functions on virtual platforms. While celebrating such occasion, we need to keep up the enthusiasm and participation of all so that the importance of such occasion is not lost in virtual reality. On Children's Day, we remember the first Prime Minister of independent India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who said that the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. He believed that it is important for children to be educated as they will determine the future of India. While formal education gives us vast knowledge in many subjects and languages, it is important to grow up as a good human being with qualities of compassion, personal ethics, and social responsibilities, which will enrich our lives and the lives of those around us. We have lined up various programs today to celebrate Children's Day, like skit, games, talk on Children's Day, PPT presentation, and dance by the teachers. As we begin, let's invoke the blessings of God with a prayer song, followed by a message from the principal of Bethany Convent School, Kolke, Sister Ria Shalish. Over to Pushpa teacher.
हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, तेरे बच्चे हम हो सच्चे, तेरे बच्चे हम हो सच्चे। हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम। पढ़ लिखेंगे, योग्य बनेंगे, नया सीखेंगे, करके देखेंगे, काम करेंगे, नहीं डरेंगे, मित्र बढ़ेंगे, बड़े चालेंगे। हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, तेरे बच्चे हम हो सच्चे, तेरे बच्चे हम हो सच्चे। हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम। माँ की सुनेंगे, दूध पिएंगे, पिता की सुनेंगे, व्यायाम करेंगे, टीचर की सुनेंगे, दंगा न करेंगे, जल्दी सोएंगे, जल्दी उठेंगे। हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, तेरे बच्चे हम हो सच्चे, तेरे बच्चे हम हो सच्चे। हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम, हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम।
Good morning to one and all. A very special good morning to you, my dear students. First of all, wish you all happy Children's Day. This day will remain as memorable day in the history, November 14, 2020, because of pandemic. We miss your presence in the school. Without you, the school looks empty. But I am happy that all of you are safe and enjoying good health. After the death of Jawaharlal celebrated as the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru in India. All political party members also give respect to Nehruji at his Shantivan Memorial in New Delhi. Nehru was one of the freedom fighter, poet and leader of India. He was well known for his love and care towards children as well as roses. Even he was saying, the children are like buds in the garden. He was a friend of children, loving and keeping them precious to his heart. So children were calling him Chacha Nehru. He worked more for the education, welfare and progress of children and youngsters of the independence of India. He was saying the children are the power of country and they will build a developed society in the future. A child is a pebble of the life of a parent, so they should be nurtured carefully. Children bring happiness and courage in their parents' life. It is believed that God exists within children due to the pure heart. Children are considered as the foundation and future of the country. So they should be given more attention, the right education and care in the present, progress and develop in the future. Children's Day reminds everyone of the preciousness of children. People should teach their child to live by the standards of Chacha Nehru. The day also reminds parents to support and protect their children by giving them good education, food and health. Parents should give an opportunity for children to express their thoughts and try to understand them. Children are the gift of God, pure heart, innocent and loved by everybody. Dear children, today is Diwali. We miss you all and love you. Wherever you are, I pray God's blessings on you. May God bless you with wisdom and knowledge, joy and happiness. May you bring joy to your parents. Let us collaborate to perform our responsibility of making a beautiful society a better nation. Once again, Happy Children's Day to you. God bless you all.
तारे ज़मीं पर उतरे हुए हैं, चमके सितारे हंसते हुए। तारे ज़मीं पर उतरे हुए हैं, चमके सितारे हंसते हुए। Rise, rise, rise like rising sun. Shine, shine, shine like shining star. Rise, rise, rise like rising sun. Shine, shine, shine like shining star. Happy, happy Children's Day. We wish you happy Children's Day. Happy, happy Children's Day. We wish you happy Children's Day. Happy, happy Children's Day. We wish you happy Children's Day. Naughty boy, sweetie girl, you are my special one. Crazy boy, smiley girl, we love love you for everything. Naughty boy, sweetie girl, you are my special one. Crazy boy, smiley girl, we love you for everything. You can be Dhoni, you can be Sachin, you can be Sindhu, you can be Hima Das, you can be APJ, you can be Kalpana, you can be Mary Kom, you can be India's Nightingale Lata ji, you can be India's Tiger Abhinandan, you can be India's most wanted hero. Rise, rise, rise like rising sun. Shine, shine, shine like shining star. Rise, rise, rise like rising sun. Shine, shine, shine like shining star. Happy, happy Children's Day. We wish you happy Children's Day. Happy, happy Children's Day. We wish you happy Children's Day. Happy, happy Children's Day. We wish you happy Children's Day.
Students, we miss you very much.
I know there is a lot going on right now.
You might feel scared.
You might feel worried.
You might feel sad. That's okay. This is really a time to be proud.
Proud to our community that is working together.
Proud of people helping people.
This is a time we will never forget.
I will be always proud of you.
We will always be a class, a family which is working together in a tough time.
We miss you.
Be proud of you. Today we are going to tell you one story which is related to one of our school core value, which is
compassionate love for all, especially the poor and the marginalized.
चिल्ड्रंस डे था। घट्टू और चिंकी नींद से उठे तो पापा मम्मी एकदम बोले हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे।
ओह थैंक्स मम्मी, थैंक्स पापा। वेलकम बच्चों, आज तुम्हारा दिन है, अच्छे से एंजॉय करना।
गट्टू और चिंकी स्कूल आते हैं। स्कूल के अध्यक्ष चिल्ड्रन डे पर भाषण देते हैं। बच्चों, आज 14 नवंबर है। आज हमारे पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी का जयंती उत्सव है। भारत देश के निर्माण में नेहरू जी का बहुमूल्य योगदान रहा है। नेहरू जी को गुलाब का फूल और छोटे बच्चे बहुत पसंद थे, इसलिए आज चिल्ड्रन डे मनाया जाता है। आज पढ़ाई को छुट्टी, नाचो गाओ, खाओ पियो और आनंद लो। अध्यक्ष स्कूल के हर बच्चों को गुलाब का फूल और आशीर्वाद देते हैं। फिर बच्चे खेलने और कूदने लगते हैं। बच्चों की खेल और खाने का स्कूल में बढ़िया इंतजाम किया था। खाने को मिठाई और खेलने को बहुत सारे खिलौने थे। गट्टू और चिंकी भी अपने दोस्तों के साथ घसरगुंडी खेल रहे थे।
कितना मजा आ रहा है, यूहू!
गट्टू घसरगुंडी पर चढ़ता है, तभी वहाँ देखता है कि फाटक के बाहर कुछ गरीब बच्चे जिनके पीठ पर थैले लदे थे, उनकी तरफ आशा भरी निगाहों से देख रहे थे।
अरे वहाँ कुछ गरीब बच्चे खड़े हैं, बेचारों का भी खेलने का मन कर रहा होगा। चलो उन्हें भी शामिल करते हैं। हाँ हाँ चलो।
गट्टू, चिंकी और बाकी बच्चे फाटक के पास आते हैं तो गरीब बच्चे डर जाते हैं।
डरो नहीं, तुम भी खेलो हमारे साथ, खाना भी मिलेगा। चलो चलो।
यह सुनकर एक गरीब और अशक्त बच्चा कहता है,
नहीं, हम आएंगे तो हमें मार पड़ेगी। कोई नहीं मारेगा तुम्हें, हम हैं ना। आज हम बच्चों का ही तो दिन है, चलो।
बच्चे मान जाते हैं। खेल का मजा उठाने के बाद सारे बच्चे थक जाते हैं।
चलो, थक गए, अब मिठाई और खाना खाते हैं। अब हम चलते हैं, कोई देखेगा तो मुसीबत होगी। तुम भी चलो खाना खाने। क्या तुम्हें भूख नहीं लगी? भूख लगी है, पर काम भी तो करना है। भंगार जमा नहीं किया, उसको दुकान में जाकर नहीं बेचा तो हमें खाना नहीं मिलेगा। क्या तुम स्कूल नहीं जाते? हमारे माता पिता गरीब हैं, वो हमें स्कूल नहीं भेज सकते।
यह सुनकर गट्टू और चिंकी को बुरा लगता है। तभी वहाँ सिक्योरिटी गार्ड आता है। गरीब बच्चों को अंदर देखकर भड़क जाता है।
तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई अंदर आने की? चलो बाहर निकलो, चलो।
गार्ड बच्चों को धक्के मारकर निकालने लगता है। गट्टू और चिंकी गार्ड को रोकते हैं।
अंकल, उन्हें मारो मत, उन्हें हमने बुलाया था। क्या अंकल, आज चिल्ड्रंस डे है और आप बच्चों पर हाथ उठा रहे हो? बेचारे गरीब हैं, ना खेल पाते हैं, ना अच्छा खाना खा पाते हैं। गरीबी के कारण पढ़ भी नहीं पाते। आप इन्हें यहाँ से निकाल नहीं सकते। अगर ये बच्चे यहाँ से जाएंगे तो हम भी चले जाएंगे, न खाना खाएंगे न खेलेंगे। हाँ, चिंकी ठीक कह रही है।
जिद ना करो, इन्हें नहीं निकाला तो मेरी नौकरी खतरे में आ जाएगी।
तभी स्कूल के अध्यक्ष आते हैं और गार्ड से कहते हैं, कौन कहता है तुम्हारी नौकरी खतरे में आ जाएगी? अरे भाई, ये बच्चे ठीक ही तो कह रहे हैं। ये भी बच्चे ही हैं। गरीब हुए तो क्या हुआ, खेलना कूदना, अच्छा खाना खाना और पढ़ना इनका भी अधिकार है।
थैंक्स सर, ये बेचारे गरीब हैं, काम करके भूख मिटाते हैं और पढ़ भी नहीं पाते।
गट्टू और चिंकी, तुम बच्चों पर मुझे गर्व है। तुम बच्चों ने इन गरीब बच्चों के बारे में भी सोचा। सिर्फ भाषण देने से कुछ नहीं होता, प्रत्यक्ष कृति भी करनी चाहिए और मैं वह करूँगा। बेटा, तुम्हारा नाम बताओ।
सर, मेरा नाम श्रवण है, ये राजू और ये छोटू।
बेटा, तुम कहाँ रहते हो और तुम्हारे माता पिता क्या करते हैं?
सर, हम झोपड़पट्टी में रहते हैं और हमारे माता पिता भंगार बेचते हैं।
पढ़ना चाहोगे?
सर, हम गरीब हैं, पढ़ नहीं सकते।
कौन कहता है गरीब बच्चे पढ़ नहीं सकते? कल तुम्हारे माता पिता को लेकर आना, मैं स्कूल में तुम्हारी दाखिला करवाऊंगा और तुम्हारे पढ़ाई लिखाई का खर्चा भी उठाऊंगा।
सर, हमारे झोपड़पट्टी के और भी बच्चे पढ़ना चाहते हैं।
हाँ, सबको साथ लेकर आना। सब बच्चे एक साथ पढ़ेंगे, खेलेंगे, कूदेंगे तो सही मायने में चिल्ड्रन डे सफल होगा। अब जाओ, पेट भर खाना खाओ। गट्टू और चिंकी, ले जाओ तुम्हारे नए दोस्तों को।
चल श्रवण, राजू चल, चलो रे सब।
सब बच्चे भागते हैं, मिठाई और खाने पर टूट पड़ते हैं। इस प्रकार गट्टू और चिंकी की सोच और मदद से गरीब बच्चे भी चिल्ड्रन डे एंजॉय करते हैं।
Happy Children's Day, dear students.
Good morning, children. I want to take this opportunity to wish each one of you Happy Children's Day. We all know that children hold very important place in our families, in our society. Pandit Nehru or Chacha Nehru loved children very much and children loved him too. He taught us many important values in our lives, like speaking the truth, being honest, stand for justice and fairness. My wish for you is that this Children's Day you will imbibe these values. My dear children, I want to wish each one of you very special Children's Day, and I want to remind you that all of you are special in God's sight, that He loves you and so do we.
ये तो सच है कि भगवान है मगर फिर भी अनजान है। ये तो सच है कि भगवान है।
Good morning, one and all. On behalf of Bethany Convent School, Panvel, I wish all my dear students Happy Children's Day to you all. My dear students, do you know why do we celebrate Children's Day? Children's Day is celebrated on the account of the birthday of our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14th of November 1889 in Allahabad at Uttar Pradesh. He was the first Prime Minister of India. He always used to say, children are the future of tomorrow. So, to remember Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the Indian constitutions and Indian Parliament has decided that the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru will be celebrated as Children's Day. Now, why Children's Day? Because Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru used to love the children a lot. He used to always see the children, and children used to always call him Chacha Nehru. That's why we say Chacha Nehru. He was Chacha of all the children of our country. Today, 14 November, all over India is celebrated as Children's Day. You'll be seeing various competitions are held in schools, in society, in so many organizations. Example like dance competition, singing, dancing, drawing, and many talent hunt competitions are held. And it is a very joyful day for the children. So everyone has a day. So children also has a day that is called as Children's Day. My dear children, you, on behalf of all the teachers and especially from your principal, we wish you a happy Children's Day. Let this day be a beautiful day for you, and let your future come as beautiful, and as you grow up, grow like a child. When you grow like a child, you will never become an older. It is always say. That's why I also feel that I am still a child and I will never get older. Once again, Happy Children's Day to you all. Happy Children's Day to you. Happy Children's Day to you. Happy Children's Day, dear children. Happy Children's Day to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. We are so glad God made you. Happy Children's Day to you. May you have many more. May you have many more. Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day to you. Happy Children's Day.
नमस्कार छात्रों, आज 14 नवंबर बाल दिवस। भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी, जिन्हें हम चाचा नेहरू जी के नाम से भी जानते हैं, इनके जन्म दिवस को हम बाल दिवस के रूप में मनाते हैं, क्योंकि नेहरू जी को बच्चों से बहुत ही लगाव था। आज इसी अवसर पर मैं प्रतिज्ञा ठाकुर एक कविता सुनाने जा रही हूँ। बाल दिवस की हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, आओ हम सब शिक्षक मिलकर ये गुनगुनाए। बाल दिवस की हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, आओ हम सब शिक्षक मिलकर ये गुनगुनाए। देश की प्रगति का आप है आधार, आप ही करेंगे चाचा नेहरू के सपनों को साकार। आप ही से है उम्मीदें, आप ही से है आशाएं। बाल दिवस की हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। बचपन का एक खजाना मिलेगा ना दोबारा, खेलना कूदना मौज और मस्ती मुश्किल होगा ये भुलाना। जीवन में बस खुशियाँ ना है निराशाएं। बाल दिवस की हार्दिक 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 शुभकामनाएं। आओ हम सब शिक्षक मिलकर ये गुनगुनाए। बाल दिवस की हार्दिक 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 शुभकामनाएं। आशाएं नहीं थकती, कोशिशें नहीं रुकती, बचपन की ये दुनिया फिर से जीने नहीं मिलती। आओ हम सब शिक्षक मिलकर ये गुनगुनाए, बाल दिवस की हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। परियों की कहानियों सी आपकी दुनिया लगती, एक बार जो खिले फूल फिर कली नहीं बनती। दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा समय यूं ही ना गवाए, बाल दिवस की हार्दिक हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे।
Colored festoons everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling to good wishes all to you and you. Colored festoons everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling to good wishes all to you and you. We think of Cha-Cha on this day, his love for us will always stay. This day is just the day for us as we celebrate our Children's Day. Color festoons everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling to good wishes all to you and you. Bringing past back to our minds, 'twas Cha-Cha's birthday, you will find. He loved children with all his heart, from them he never liked to part. Colored festoons everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling to good wishes all to you and you. Colored festoons everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling to good wishes all to you and you. Colored festoons everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling to good wishes all to you and you. Colored festoons everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling to good wishes all to you and you. We think of Cha-Cha on this day, his love for us will always stay. This day is just the day for us as we celebrate our Children's Day. Colored festoons everywhere, people showing how much they care, shaking hands and smiling to good wishes all to you and you.
Children, to us, you are the most precious of blessings, and we cherish every moment that we spend with you. We feel blessed to have you in our lives. Your one smile is enough to make us forget all the things we worry about. Thank you for bringing excitement in our lives. Have an amazing Children's Day.
Hi friends, we are celebrating yet another Children's Day this week, a day dedicated to you. We celebrate as Children's Day the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister. Nehru was a darling of the children. He had worked a lot to improve the educational standards of children. Jawaharlal was born in a Kashmiri Pandit family in Allahabad as the son of Motilal Nehru and Swaroop Rani on November 14, 1889. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit and Krishna Hati Singh were his sisters. Though Nehru was enrolled in the St. Mary's Convent School in Allahabad, he was later tutored at home by Ferdinand T. Brooks. The Irish teacher led Nehru to the world of books and scientific temper. Nehru left India for England for higher studies in 1905. He was just 16 years old then. He joined the famed Harrow School in London. He later earned an honours degree from the Trinity College in Cambridge and a barrister degree from the Inner Temple in London. Nehru excelled in general knowledge, science, and reading habits. After 7 years in London, Nehru returned home in 1912. He married Kamala Kaul in 1916. In 1917, his daughter Indira Priyadarshini was born. Those were the days when the freedom movement was spreading all over the country. Nehru was drawn to the Indian National Congress, particularly impressed by the activities of Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Annie Besant. He met Gandhi for the first at the Lucknow conference of the party. He was to become a staunch ally of Gandhi from then on. Nehru was elected the president of the Indian National Congress at the Lahore conference in 1929. He presented the Purna Swaraj motion and declared that India will celebrate its Independence Day on January 26, 1930. Nehru was sworn in as India's first Prime Minister in 1947. His Tryst of Destiny speech in Parliament's Darbar Hall at the stroke of midnight on 14th August 1947 went on to become one of the most memorable speeches in world history. India's most science and technology institutions started under Nehru's watch. India went on to achieve remarkable feats in scientific and space sectors. Nehru's contributions were equally great in arts and literature. Nehru was the founder chairman of the Kendra Sahitya Academy. Nehru took the initiative to develop a comprehensive education policy for the children. Nehru was a great thinker, writer, and historian. His books, including The Discovery of India, Glimpses of World History, Letters from a Father to His Daughter, and an autobiography, are profound yet accessible. That was Chachaji's inspiring life. Let his life story inspire you to grow up into smart adults.
Dear kids, unfortunately we couldn't celebrate this Children's Day with you all. However, we wish you a very happy Children's Day and hope to see you prosper and enjoy life. Thank you.
My dear children, today is Children's Day, a day dedicated to you. For me, it's also a day dedicated to love. I believe every child, every one of you, brings more love into this world. When I see you, my heart swells with love, pride, and joy. I long for the day your achievements will be celebrated by all of us. Make your parents, teachers, school, and the nation proud. I will be waiting with bated breath to see you all. Make your mark on the world. My heartfelt love to all of you. Happy Children's Day.
It is said that children are beautiful creation of this world. I feel I am very fortunate that I have taught many students in my teaching career. Wishing you all a very, very happy Children's Day. Keep learning, keep growing, keep blooming like a flower with uniqueness and different talents. Loads of love and blessings to you all. Once again, happy Children's Day. Enjoy your day.